In this video, we'll explore C format specifiers, which are essential tools for input and output operations. Format specifiers are special placeholders used in the Printf and Scanf functions to control how data is displayed or read, convert values between different data types, and format output with precision and alignment. Let's look at a basic Printf example with format specifiers. Here we have an integer variable age set to 25, and a float variable height set to 5.9. Using Printf, we can display these values with the format specifiers, %d for the integer age, and %f for the float height. Now let's discuss some common format specifiers in C. The specifier %d or %i is used for signed decimal integers of type int. %u is for unsigned decimal integers of type unsigned int. %f is used for decimal floating point numbers of type float or double. %c is for single characters of type char, and %s is for strings of characters, represented as char pointer. Lastly, %p is used to display pointer addresses of type void pointer. Take a look at this code example. We're using these common format specifiers to print an integer, a float, a character, and a string. Next, we'll dive into format modifiers, specifically focusing on width and precision. %5d is used for a right-aligned integer with a total width of 5 characters. %-5d is for a left-aligned integer with a width of 5. %.2f is for a float with 2 decimal places. %10.2f is a right-aligned float with a total width of 10 and 2 decimal places. %*d allows the width to be specified as an argument, and %.*f does the same for precision. In this example, you can see how these modifiers affect the output formatting of numbers. Let's explore some advanced format specifiers. %o is used for displaying numbers in octal, which is base 8. %x or %x is for hexadecimal numbers, which is base 16. %e or %e represents numbers in scientific notation. %g or %g chooses between %f or %e, whichever results in a shorter output. %p is used for displaying pointer addresses. Lastly, %n is used to store the number of characters written so far. Here's how you can use these advanced format specifiers in your C code. Finally, let's discuss how to use format specifiers with the scanf function. It's important to use the ampersand, that is, the address of operator before variable names except when dealing with strings. White space in the format string matches any amount of white space in the input. Scanf returns the number of items successfully read. Use field width to limit input length. For example, %49s reads a maximum of 49 characters to prevent buffer overflows. Always validate the return value of scanf to ensure the input was read correctly. This example shows how to read an integer, a float, and a string using scanf and checks if the input was successful. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.